Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. And so we can make what I call cauliflower barbecue bites with a little bit of spice to it. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut up cauliflower. Now make it sure that it's 4 cups. I got this humongous cauliflower and it was more than 4 cups, but this recipe really is for 4 cups, okay? So you measure out 4 cups and set that aside. Then you're gonna make the coating for it, the first layer of coating. And you start with 3/4 of a cup of garbanzo bean flour. Throw it into a bowl and then add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Get it all, every drop. And then 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a full teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. Now when you do that, the parsley flakes are pretty big. What I do is I just put it in one hand, use the other hand, and crumple it up some so that the flakes aren't so big. And then the last that's 8 turns of black pepper from the peppermill, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This recipe is really quick. Next thing, this is what you have all your ingredients together, and we're just gonna stir everything up together, mix it really well. Now that's not a coating yet. The coating comes when we put in 3/4 of a cup of water and let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. What will happen is the batter will thicken, and so it will do a good job of coating these cauliflower bits. I don't usually wait, but I have sometimes, but we don't have to do it today. So you have a choice. Either let it set, or you can see how it thickens right now. And then we're gonna dump them in here. Dump all of your 4 cups of cauliflower into the mix. We're gonna put them on a parchment-lined, or if you have those silicone baking sheets, you could use that at this time. And you're gonna put these on here. Put them on here. It takes a little bit of time. It's not a fast process. Okay, so they're all on the parchment-lined paper on your cookie sheet, and now you're gonna place it into a 425-degree oven, Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Okay. So the 20 minutes are up, and when they are, what you need to do is to get a bowl with your favorite barbecue sauce in it, about 2 cups. You take those just cooked cauliflower bites and you dunk them one by one, or however you want to get that sauce on those bites, and then put them back on your baking tray and put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes if you use your full oven. Now I took some out just to see how they would cook in my toaster oven. The second time around, once they're coated and you put barbecue sauce on them, 12 minutes at 425 degrees in your toaster oven. Anyway, in this toaster oven, you don't have to cook them for 20 minutes. They're completely done now after 12, okay? So this is what they look like. Okay, so now I'm gonna plate them. I know it doesn't look very good probably to you guys, but those are beet greens that you get off of the top of beets, fresh beets. I bought some organic beets and I just used the greens that were on top and cooked them. They are absolutely delicious. They're a little sweet, and I'm not sure if that's because of the Vidalia onion that I use, but I think there's just kind of sweet because beets are, and it gets in there too, the sweetness. But these are very, very, very yummy. So this is toaster oven done, and I've still got some in the oven still cooking, but this is what they'll look like. I don't like super hot and spicy, so I didn't put any hot sauce on mine. But there's your plate. And this is just steamed asparagus, and that really is the recipe. Everything's done. And I know you're out there hollering, Berta, taste it, taste it. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I know it's good. And I'm gonna take, yes. This is a very nice lunch, nice dinner. Have a piece of fruit afterwards. Eat some more greens if you want. But it's really, really good. This whole vegetable, and it's very filling. If you want to throw in a starch, you could put on a potato, half of a baked potato, or some brown rice, any one of those, or grains, and you would be completely full when you're done and enjoying it. Okay? And don't forget 3 things. Don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to also click on the notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will get the notification. Okay? So until next time, enjoy your cauliflower barbecue bites. Bye for now.